All right. Let's address the absolute chaos that is hauling tools like some kind of deranged Tetris master, and the heartbreak of opening your toolbox only to find that everything has staged for a violent mutiny. Enter the Milwaukee PACKOUT 22-inch for electric tools. Now, it does not come with the items you see in the case. This is just the toolbox case. You can use it indoors, outdoors. It snaps on the Milwaukee tool set container. It is highly built. This thing, it's basically your vault on wheels. It's got a nice handle that is highly durable for any job site. Your tools are safely secured with the locking mechanism. Just add your own lock. Restored, it locks, it stacks, and glides like it was built by wizards, guys, who understand exactly how much you hate digging for that one wrench. The durability is ridiculous. I swear it could survive an apocalypse. If you've ever wanted organization that doesn't mock you the second you hit a bump, congratulations, you have found the one.